Today for the Bitcoin price, I will show you the shocking truth about the Bitcoin, Ethereum and Cardano price today. And if I would not have seen that myself, I wouldn't believe my eyes. I want to go into the charts and show you what I'm looking out for Bitcoin, Ethereum and Cardano. Bitcoin actually hitting all of our price targets recently, all of our trades profitable, actually already hit the price targets. But something is unfolding in the charts, which shows us we have to be very vigilant right now. I will talk about all my price targets, of course, about my previous trades and also about my up and coming trade. As you know, guys, all of our recent trades were extremely profitable. So let's look out for the next one. As you know, after the trade is before the trade, and this is what I'm gonna be talking about right now. Let me go into the charts, and we on the Bitcoin price, then I will go into Ethereum, and for a very specific reason I will do it in that order, and then I will talk about Cardano. So stick here with me until the very end, guys. And recently we got more than 10,000 likes, so I am talking more about altcoins here, just as I promised you. Make sure you smash up the like button and you leave your favorite altcoins in the comment section down below, so I can cover more of them here in the future and give you my specific trading setups. First of all, we are talking here about Bitcoin, and what you can see here on the 4-hourly candles is actually something interesting unfolding. Not only that we had the W pattern, which you can only see on the hourly candles, we broke out and this is like up to the dollar. We perfectly hit my price target, right? So congratulations for everyone who is in that trade. But of course, guys, after the trade is before the trade. So let's see what is the next move for Bitcoin right now, and what is the shocking truth I was actually talking about earlier. I wanted to remind you quickly, in the pinned comment down below, you will find $2,520 for free if you click the buy button link. Step number 1. Step number 2, put in your email address and your password. And after your initial deposit, all of that takes like 1 minute. You get these bonuses here for free. At a 40x leverage, this is a $100,000 free trade. If you are like 50% in profits or so, like I don't have to tell you how much free money that basically is if you're only trading with the bonus, right? So first of all, let's talk about Bitcoin. And what I was talking about yesterday is this inverse head and shoulders pattern here unfolding with this, I wouldn't call it resistance, I would call it resistance box here, because we really find a lot of resistance within that range, and just right now we are finding resistance here once again. And the specific reason why we are doing that, I talked about that earlier, is not only Ethereum, I will come to that later, it is also the Fibonacci golden pocket, which is an absolute perfect alignment with the resistance box here. I mean, look at this. This is what I was calling earlier for. And this is also exactly what's happening here. And there's another reason why Bitcoin is facing some resistance here. Of course, I will talk about price targets. The first one already hit here. Another reason for this crazy resistance is, once again, and this works into both directions, the Ethereum price. I was telling you earlier, guys, and let me quickly go back to the video mode here. I was telling you earlier, this works in both directions. Bitcoin faked out to the downside, but Ethereum didn't break out yet. I told you guys, relax. We are probably going to reverse from here, because as long as Ethereum is not going to break down, Ethereum didn't break down and Bitcoin reversed towards the upside. So now on the flip side, of course, when Bitcoin is breaking higher, but Ethereum is not breaking out yet, still being a leading indicator, we have to ask ourselves the question, are we going to see follow through here? Yes. Maybe, but what do we have to wait for here? What do we have to wait for? I want to personally see Ethereum breaking the resistance, Ethereum breaking out of this bearishly biased rising wedge. The bearish price target here at $3,080. However, if it breaks out towards the upside, closes a 4-hourly candle outside, confirms the breakout, then I would personally looking out once again for the price target approximately at the $4,000 levels, $3,938. If Ethereum breaks the resistance here, guys, pound the table, pop the champagne bottles. Let me open it. Pound the table, pop the champagne bottles. Then I would definitely look for much higher prices for Bitcoin. I would personally even think that it is possible to break the previous all-time high. Actually, today we already hit a price target we didn't hit since the 18th of April. So this is already the reason to maybe pop a champagne glass, right? But still, we need to break this very important resistance here. And as you can see, if I were to zoom in, the next price target according to the Fibonacci retracement levels or extension levels in this case would be, of course, the 78.6. But if we are breaking the previous high, you know the deal, guys. $75,000 US dollars will be what I'm looking out for. The moment we are breaking the previous all-time high at 64,000, I will be continuously stacking up my long position until we are reaching 75,000 US dollars. And for the biggest bulls out there, well, of course, up to the exact cent, the 3x, this is 100,000. But this is something I'm personally looking out for, maybe for July or August. I really think that maybe this summer is gonna be a little bit more slow, but let's wait and see what is happening here. The altcoins are actually screaming that, let me quickly go back. The altcoins are screaming the bull market is not over. Bitcoin, go higher, go higher. So let's go over into the altcoins before I'm eventually showing you my trades and also my future trade for Bitcoin, including of all my price targets and so on. I wanted to talk about Cardano, one of the altcoins you are suggesting a lot. By the way, guys, big shout out for everyone here. You can see it who bought Monero with me. You doubled your Bitcoin already with that. What an amazing time to live in, right, guys? What an amazing time to live in. So here we are on Cardano, and Cardano is a little bit more, like it's much harder to trade it, right? If you're holding it, it's very important to see what price targets can we reach. To trade it, it's very hard because we are forming these very nice patterns here, but then we are seeing fake outs to the upside, fake outs to the downside. So just be careful trading altcoins on leverage. If you want to do it, well, in the pinned comment down below, you can use these free bonuses to trade altcoins as well on Bybit, VMAX, and the other exchanges. Binance Futures is also down below with 700 US dollar bonus. You can trade altcoins and you can do it very profitably, but of course it is more risky. Everything what goes up goes down, and of course it's much more volatile if you add leverage to it. Just be a little bit careful here, right? I made a lot of profits already with altcoins, but I also lost a few trades, much more trades than I lost on Bitcoin, where I lost almost no trades so far. And you know that since I'm documenting all my trades here recently. So my personal price target for Cardano, actually it hit one of my price targets already. The next one would be here among the $1.90 level. And this is not the reason for this measured move. The measured move price target is not the reason because we faked out down here very, very ugly. Now the reason is, of course, once again, the Fibonacci extension level. If I'm pulling that from the bottom to the top, then you can see in perfect alignment. What a coincidence always. I don't get it, man. With the Fibonacci golden ratio here, the price target of $1.92. This is what I would be looking out for Cardano. It doesn't mean, and this is the thing with altcoins, that we are not seeing some crazy, crazy volatility until that point of time. We are talking here about altcoins, right? Of course, guys, I want to go into my trades. I want to show you my next price targets, my next trading setups, and also what I'm looking out for Bitcoin and Ethereum right now. But I wanted to incentivize you. Smash up the like button. Just make noise for the algorithm, guys. Recently, we hit more than 10,000 likes in so many videos, and I truly appreciate that. So I'm listening to your wishes, and I'm adding some altcoin sections here towards the end of the video. So make noise for the algorithm. Share the video with your friends so we can get more of that here in the future. Of course, also here, wanted to talk about my trade. You can see it here, 1.77 million US dollars in contract size and 357,000 US dollars in profits, 330% in profits already. Congratulations for everyone who joined me on that trade. I actually have also more trades to show you. I will do that maybe in a later video. And as you can see here, also all my signals I gave over on Twitter, I actually posted this here before the breakout. Then I posted the breakout, the confirmation, like everything, right? I perfectly documented it with you and everyone who joined me there. Make sure you follow me at MMCrypto over on Twitter. Made significant profits actually on the Bitcoin price. Probably like a 5% move on the 20x leverage. You doubled your money within like 2 days. So make sure you subscribe to the MMCrypto family as well. Go down, press subscribe, press the bell and press on all. And with that being said, guys, we will see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, bye bye.